Hey guys, welcome to my new video. I have 5 videos and honestly the quality is pretty bad. It's blurry, there is noise and it just does not look clean. I am going to use a VideoProc converter AI video enhancer and let's see how we can fix it. I will try to make it sharper, cleaner and more usable. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, we have 5 tools here: super resolution, frame interpolation, image AI, audio AI, and also video converter, DVD downloader, compressor, recorder and stabilization. But today we will focus to super resolution and image AI. Let's first click super resolution. So interface is very user friendly and easy. Just drag and drop video here and enhance video. Let's click here for add first video. Choose video 1 and open. For talking about the settings, we can choose here device, CPU or GPU, and AI models. We have 4 models: Gen Detail version 3, Real Smooth, Anime and ZYXT. For first video, I will use Gen Detail version 3, and also we can enable high quality mode or fast mode. I will choose high quality mode. And model settings, we can upscale 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. Let's choose 4 times. Also, we can choose directly resolution here. We can choose resolution presets, Full HD, 2K, 4K. Let's back to scale and choose 4-time upscaling. Also, we can enhance video and dentalizing. For see difference, we have 2 preview window. Also, we can click here for see width slider like this. And let's zoom to see details. We can see in original video we have blur and noises, but after enhance we can fix all problems like this. And also here is my video original size, and this is after enhance 4K. For timeline, we can use in and out tools. Okay, result is very good, and we can see all details, not any blurs, not any noises. Again, upload video, choose videos 2 and open. So I will test landscape video like this. We have greens and mountains, sky and water details. Let's go to AI models and choose Real Smooth version 3. Okay, go to width slider and we can see results is so perfect. We can see all details, very quality, and this is 2 times upscaling. This is Full HD, and let's click 4-time upscaling. Okay, results is perfect. We can see really difference here. With original video, we have again blurs, noises, and after enhance, we can see all details very clear. That's perfect. Also sizes upscaling to 4K. And again, let's import video, choose video 3. And this time I will use cartoon animation style video. Let's go to AI models and choose here anime style. And here we go. We can see results is perfect. We can see black contours is very quality and colors, details very well. Let's go to slider and let's see difference. Not any blurs, not any noises and artifacts. That's perfect. Let's export this video. Choose video codec like this, and audio codec, we have not audio, and format MP4, quality level, let's choose highest, frame rate 30. Let's click for choose output folder. Okay, this is my PC videos and VideoProc converter AI. Choose folder and click run. Okay, exporting the file is very fast and speedy, and we can see process here. So, time to work with images. Let's click X for back to main interface and image AI. Let's open. Again, we can import images. Let's click here for import first image. Choose image 1 and open. And I will test this city image, and I have choose AI model Gen Details version 3. Let's click for 4-time upscaling. Okay, perfect, and let's zoom to for see details. Very nice. In original image we have blurs, noises, and after upscaling we have fix it. That's perfect. Also here is my image, it's a low size, and after upscaling we have new sizes here. So let's try another image. Import second image, and this is black and white image with noises and blurs, and let's choose here real smooth, and let's zoom to. Okay, perfect. And let's click for upscaling 4 times. Okay, and we can see result is perfect. And again we can enhance image here, and next feature image restoration. First let's enable face restoration. Okay, we can see all problems has been fixed. Face skins and this dress and background elements, and not any blurs, not any noises. Very cool. Also we can add colors in black and white image. Just click checkbox for colorizing image. Okay, here we go. It works, and now we have coloring image from black and white image. That's perfect. We can see colors is works, and skin colors and background trees. That's very cool. And again, export settings, we can choose image format here, image quality, DPI, and output folder. So guys, for final, let me show official website VideoProc Converter AI. We can get product here, or we can see pricing, and for news, updates and features we can check official website. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.